Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. We got a dataset with payments due on specific dates, and we want to create a zero-interest payment plan on the preceding Fridays before each payment is due. The goal is to split the payment amount equally across the Fridays leading up to each payment date. Now, getting into the solution provided earlier, we start off by using the Lapley function to iterate over each payment date and calculate the preceding Fridays. Then, we use the map function to create a data frame with the payday dates and the corresponding payment amounts divided by the number of Fridays. Finally, we aggregate the data to sum up the payments for each payday, resulting in a structured payment plan. Continuing with the solution, the output shows the payday dates and the calculated payment amounts for each Friday leading up to the payment due dates. The amounts are distributed evenly to ensure a manageable payment plan that aligns with the payment schedule. This approach allows for a structured and organized payment strategy, easing the financial burden over time. Moving forward with the solution, the structured data frame showcases a clear breakdown of payments allocated to each payday, ensuring a systematic and balanced approach to meeting the financial obligations. By spreading out the payments over multiple Fridays, it becomes more feasible to manage and budget for the upcoming expenses effectively. In the final part of the solution, we prepare the initial dataset with the payment dates and amounts before converting it into a usable format for the payment plan calculation. By organizing the data and formatting it correctly, we set the foundation for a successful and efficient payment scheduling process. To wrap it up, we've successfully transformed the original dataset into a well-structured payment plan that evenly distributes the financial responsibilities across multiple Fridays. By following this approach, we can effectively manage the payments and stay on track with our financial commitments. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below. Your feedback keeps us going.